Iconic African species, a comprehensive study. Africa is home to a collection of species that are synonymous with the continent's wildlife. These animals have come to symbolize Africa's rich biodiversity and have captured the imagination of people worldwide. From the majestic African elephant to the stealthy leopard, these species not only define African wildlife but also play vital roles in maintaining ecological balance. However, many of them are facing threats due to poaching, habitat loss, and climate change. Let's take a detailed look at some of the continent's most iconic species, their behavior, ecological significance, and conservation status. The African elephant is the largest land mammal on Earth, embodying the vastness of the African wilderness. These magnificent creatures are an essential part of the African ecosystem, playing critical roles in shaping landscapes and maintaining biodiversity. African elephants are characterized by their large ears, which help regulate body temperature by dissipating heat. They also have long trunks, which they use for a variety of tasks, such as drinking, feeding, and social interactions. Their tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth, are another defining feature, although they are increasingly targeted for ivory poaching. Elephants live in complex social groups, primarily led by a matriarch, the oldest female. The matriarch plays a crucial role in decision-making, especially when it comes to finding food and water. Male elephants, once they mature, typically leave the herd and lead more solitary lives. Elephants are known for their intelligence, displaying emotions like grief, joy, and empathy. They exhibit behaviors such as mourning the loss of family members, and even engaging in fun activities like playing in water or dust. The African lion, often referred to as the king of the jungle, is one of the most iconic and charismatic species in Africa. Lions are apex predators and social animals with a reputation for their power and pride-based social structure. Physical characteristics. Lions are muscular, with males distinguished by their impressive manes, which vary in color and size. The mane serves both as a visual display of dominance and as protection during fights with rival males. Females, which do not have manes, are slightly smaller and are the primary hunters within the pride. Unlike other big cats, lions are social animals that live in prides consisting of related females, their cubs, and a few adult males. This social structure helps lions cooperate in hunting and defending their territory. Males typically protect the pride from outside threats such as rival males, while females work together to hunt and raise their young. Lions are mostly nocturnal hunters, relying on stealth and teamwork to take down large prey like wildebeest, zebras, and buffalo. Leopards are one of the most elusive and adaptable big cats in Africa. They are solitary and highly skilled hunters, capable of surviving in a variety of environments, from savannas to dense forests. Physical characteristics. Leopards have a distinct coat pattern of rosettes, black spots arranged in a circular shape on a golden-yellow background, which helps them blend into their surroundings. They are medium-sized compared to lions and tigers, with powerful muscles and long limbs that make them agile climbers and stealthy hunters. Leopards are solitary animals, preferring to live alone except during mating or when a mother is raising cubs. They are opportunistic hunters, feeding on a wide range of prey, from small mammals and birds to larger ungulates like antelope. Leopards are known for their ability to climb trees, where they often stash their kills to protect them from scavengers like hyenas and lions. Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world, known for their long necks, distinctive coat patterns, and graceful presence in Africa's savannas and woodlands. Giraffes are characterized by their long necks, which help them reach leaves and branches high in trees, particularly acacias. They have spotted coats that vary between individuals, and their legs are long and slender, allowing them to run at high speeds for short distances. Their unique gait involves moving both legs on one side of the body simultaneously, giving them a distinctive loping stride. Giraffes are social animals that live in loose herds typically composed of females and their young. Males, when they mature, tend to form bachelor groups. They are herbivores, feeding primarily on leaves, fruit and flowers from trees. Giraffes spend much of their day grazing and moving in search of food, but they are also known for their necking behavior, where males fight by swinging their necks at each other in a display of dominance. Africa is home to two species of rhinoceros, the white rhino, Ceratotherium cymum, and the black rhino, Rhinoceros bicornis. These large, thick-skinned herbivores have been targets of poaching due to the high value of their horns, which are used in traditional medicine and as a status symbol. Rhinos are large, stocky animals with thick, protective skin that is made up of folds and layers. They have one or two horns made of keratin, the same substance as human hair and nails. White rhinos are larger, with a square-shaped mouth adapted for grazing on grass, while black rhinos are smaller and have a hooked mouth for browsing shrubs and trees. White rhinos are social animals and often form groups, particularly females and their calves. Males, however, are typically solitary. Black rhinos are more solitary than white rhinos and are known for being more aggressive. Both species are herbivorous, feeding primarily on grass, leaves and shrubs. Africa's mammalian fauna is not only diverse, but also home to some of the world's most uniquely adapted species. While the continent is famous for its Big Five, lion, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant and buffalo, Africa is also home to a wide variety of smaller mammals with remarkable adaptations that make them equally fascinating. These species often fly under the radar in terms of global recognition, but play vital roles in their ecosystems. From the smallest insectivores to large, elusive primates, Africa's unique mammals are an integral part of the continent's biodiversity. The aardvark is one of Africa's most distinctive and enigmatic mammals, often referred to as the ant bear due to its burrowing habits. Its name comes from the Afrikaans and Dutch words meaning earth pig, a reference to its habit of digging through the earth in search of food. Aardvarks have a unique appearance, with long ears resembling those of a rabbit, a pig-like snout, and a tail resembling that of a kangaroo. They have powerful claws designed for digging, allowing them to burrow into the earth with ease. Aardvarks are nocturnal and solitary creatures, spending most of their nights digging for ants and termites, which make up the bulk of their diet. Their long, sticky tongue can reach lengths of up to 30 centimeters, which they use to collect insects from deep within termite mounds or ant nests. Aardvarks are not aggressive, and they rely on their strong sense of smell and hearing to detect prey. The African wild dog, also known as the painted wolf, is one of the most endangered carnivores on the continent. Known for their striking, multicolored coat, these dogs are highly social and cooperative hunters, with intricate social structures and communication strategies. African wild dogs are medium-sized canids with large rounded ears and a coat that is mottled with shades of yellow, brown, black and white. Their fur pattern is unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints. They have slender bodies built for speed, making them highly efficient hunters. These animals live in tight-knit packs that can range from 2 to 20 individuals, led by an alpha male and female. The pack cooperates in hunting, using highly coordinated strategies to chase down prey, which consists mainly of antelope and other medium-sized herbivores. Their social structure is highly egalitarian, with all pack members sharing food after a successful hunt. Wild dogs are also known for their vocalizations, which include high-pitched twittering calls used to communicate with each other during hunts or when locating pack members. The okapi is one of Africa's most mysterious and unique mammals, closely related to the giraffe. Endemic to the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, it has a striking appearance, blending features of both a giraffe and a zebra physical characteristics. The okapi has the long neck of a giraffe, though not as elongated, and a body covered in velvety fur with distinctive zebra-like stripes on its hind legs and white markings on its lower limbs. It has large, erect ears that help it detect sounds in the dense forest environment, behavior, and habitat. Okapis are solitary and elusive animals, primarily herbivores, feeding on leaves, fruits, and fungi. They are mainly nocturnal, spending the daylight hours hidden in the forest. The okapi has a highly developed sense of smell and hearing, which it uses to navigate its environment and avoid predators. Smaller and more reclusive than the common hippopotamus, the pygmy hippo is native to the rainforests and swamps of West Africa. Despite its name, it is not merely a smaller version of the common hippo, but a separate species with unique behaviors and adaptations. Physical characteristics. Pygmy hippos are significantly smaller than their larger cousins, with an average weight of 200 to 275 kilograms, compared to the common hippos, 1,500 to 1,800 kilograms. They have similar body shapes, but are more compact and have more streamlined heads. Their skin is dark and smooth, with a glossy appearance, and they have webbed feet to aid in swimming. Behavior and habitat. Pygmy hippos are nocturnal and semi-aquatic, spending much of their time in the water to keep cool. Unlike common hippos, they are less social, typically living alone or in small groups. They are herbivores, feeding on a variety of vegetation found near rivers, streams, and swamps. The bat-eared fox is one of the most distinctive and adaptable carnivores in Africa, named for its large, bat-like ears, which are its most notable feature. This small fox is found in the savannas and grasslands of East and Southern Africa. Physical characteristics. The bat-eared fox has large, pointed ears that are used to detect insects and small mammals underground. Its fur is typically light grey with a pale belly and darker legs. It has a slender body and long legs, helping it cover large areas in search of food. Behavior and diet. This fox is an omnivore, but its diet is primarily composed of insects, particularly beetles and termites. The bat-eared fox is known for its exceptional hearing, which helps it locate prey beneath the soil. It often forages in family groups, using its sharp hearing to detect and dig for prey.